All right, so we're ready for the third stage in our process of creating a little Pong game. First thing I want you to do is go up to your window menu up here, and I want you to just drop that down and choose library. Because what we're going to do is um, we're going to create all our things that we've drawn, our two paddles. We're going to turn them into symbols and put them in our library. So because we were dealing with paddle 2 last, I'm just going to click on paddle 2 up here in the keyframe. Notice that it has the selection dots through it. It's saying it's selected. And remember, on my keyboard, I'm just going to go and press my F8 key up top. And by pressing F8, once you have an object selected, it converts it to a symbol. And I'm just going to call this blue paddle. All right, so we have blue paddle. And watch, when I click OK, it's going to show up here in my library because it's now a symbol. OK, and there's my blue paddle. I'll lock that layer, and I'm going to go to paddle 1 layer, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'll select it so that it is selected. I see those little dots on it. I'll go F8. It has to be selected in order for you to be able to convert it to a symbol. F8, and I'm going to call this one green paddle. And now I'm ready to have these moving up and down when I create my Pong ball. So I'll lock this layer for now. I'm going to go to my ball layer, unlock it, and just select that layer. And here's what I want you to understand. When you're choosing the different layers, you want to make sure when you go to select, don't just select the actual layer. Actually, make the habit of going in and selecting the actual keyframe. All right? That's important. Select the keyframe by just clicking on the actual frame that you want your mouse to be. And I'm in my ball layer, and I'm just going to draw a ball. Okay? So I'm going to choose my oval tool here, and I'm going to make this ball a white ball, and I'm going to draw it. Let's let the paddle, I'll draw it anyway right now. I'll just draw this ball here on my stage. What did I do? I got to click and draw, and there's my Pong ball. Okay? I will select this ball and do the function F8, or just press F8, I guess that's all you do. And I'm going to call this, I'll call this Pong ball. And I'm going to hit OK. So now in my library I have blue paddle, green paddle, and my Pong ball. All right? So I'm going to save it, and then you can go on to the next tutorial.